with you today? Look, a little house. Wow, it's a purple house and it has a number 1 on it. Purple house number 1. I wonder what's inside. Knock, knock, knock. Can you do that? Knock, knock, knock. There's no answer. Let's sing our open song. You say open and it will open. Say open, say open, say open. Wow! It's a little bird. It's a little purple bird. Hi, purple bird. Can you say that? Hi, purple bird. What does a bird say? Yeah, tweet, tweet, tweet.